Today's a big day. We're getting ready to pour some concrete for our slab to put our camper on, and slab for the shed, the first part of the shed we're going to build, 12 by 12. This is the camper back here that we're going to put on the slab. We're still working on that. We haven't been able to do the electric yet. Once we get it on the slab, we'll have to have the electrical inspected before we can hook it up. We do have water in here now. That's a plus. And that's, let's see if I can find it here. Okay, that's the shed slab right there. And we put in a water spigot in front and ran electric coming up into the slab right here from the slab we're pouring for the tiny house. We're going to have a driveway. Comes in down there, comes in behind the house. The house is going to be right here in this section. The driveway will go behind the house. It'll go down here, go in between, let's see, in between those two trees, and then back out on the road on the other side. So it'll be a nice circle driveway, and eventually we'll put a let's see, right here behind the house we'll have a carport, covered carport, and the shed over here. Starting with this 12 by 12 so we can get some of our stuff out of storage and get it over here. And then that shed's going to go extend on across here as long as it needs to go. We're just going to keep adding sections. We have, you know, lots of things that we need to store right now, and we got to put chickens somewhere, so we're trying to decide if they're going to be in this area right here where the shed's going to be, or if we're going to move them a little further away. Right, here's a water spigot. They brought our gravel in for the driveway and dumped it right on top of this valve. I got to dig that up and cap that off. There used to be a trailer right here where we're going to build the house, so that water line goes out underneath the slab actually, and I got to cap it off. We've got a lot of water line. I bet there's, I don't know how far over there, 300 feet or so over to the other side of the property, and then it goes through a creek bed and over to the neighbor's property, and the water main is over there on their property for some reason. So that's where we're at today, and today we're going to pour this slab. Barb's going to come help me this afternoon. Concrete's going to come in. We're going to do this one, and then we're going to do the shed. We're excited to get this far. It's been a long time, all summer. We really appreciate you supporting our channel.
Oh.
We really appreciate you supporting our channel.
Yes, if you like our videos, please like and subscribe and share with others. Thank you.
Thanks.